Hello, my dear children. Welcome to my channel, Sudhir Sir Chemistry. But in today's class, I am going to discuss about a representation of symbol of any elements. And based on that, if we are able to understand that part, then we are able to solve the number of electrons, number of protons, number of neutrons, atomic number, and mass number of the element. For that one, the first one part I want to explain you what is the representations. What is the representation of symbol of any elements or its ion. So for these representation, let me explain you better. X is the symbol of element. This lower subscript indicates Z and upper subscript is A. But this Z is called as a atomic number. Z is the atomic number. This A is the mass number. And this X is the symbol of any element. Right? A is the mass number, Z is the atomic number, and X is the symbol of any element. Suppose this X is an atom, does not bear any charge, so we can call it as a neutral atom. We can call it as a neutral atom. But another one, X is the symbol of element, Z is the atomic number, A is the mass number. And maybe this atom X, by losing electron, it will get the positive charge. How many electron it will lose? That many number of positive charge it will get. Means N is the charge present over it. So any atom bearing positive charge will be called it as a cation. And third possibility is that X is the symbol of element, Z is the atomic number, A is the mass number. And let us consider this atom X, it gains electron, and by gaining electron it will get negative charge. But the number of electron gained by it will get that many number of N over it. Suppose it gains 10 electron, it will get the 10 negative charge. Suppose it loses 10 electron, it will get the 10 positive charge. So atom bearing positive called as a cation, atom bearing negative are called as a anion. So this is just three ways. One is a neutral atom, does not bear any charge. One is a cation bearing positive charge, and one is an anion bearing a negative charge. But all these things case में, if you want to find out the number of electrons present on each cases, number of number of proton present on each cases, and number of neutron present on each cases, how to find out? For any neutral atom, number of electron is equal to its Z value. For any neutral atom, number of proton is equal to its Z value. And for any neutral atom, this number of neutron is equal to A minus Z. But A indicate this is the mass number, Z is the atomic number. For neutral atom, if you come for the cation, but for cation के लिए number of electron is equal to whatever Z value it will have, that Z, and minus of, see, plus of N means minus of N. Suppose I'll say plus 2, so Z minus 2. Suppose I'll say plus 3, Z minus 3. Then proton, it is as it is, that is equal to Z, and neutron, that is also as it is, A minus Z. Then for the anion, number of electron is equal to Z, but anion means by gaining electron, minus N means plus N. Suppose it will have minus 2, Z plus 2. Suppose it will have minus 3, Z plus 3. But proton, that is equal to value of Z, and neutron, it is equal to A minus Z. See, but in all the three cases, either it is a neutral atom, or it is a cation, or it is an anion. In all the three cases, here only difference is we are able to find the number of electrons is going to differ, because number of neutrons and protons, see, proton equal to Z, neutron equal to A minus Z, proton equal to Z, neutron equal to A minus Z, proton equal to Z, and neutron equal to what? A minus Z. I hope you understood this one. Please take a screenshot of this one. Now, we are going to see some examples here. Let me explain you. One of the best example is here. Carbon atom. Carbon C. Atomic number 6 and mass number is 12. If I'll ask you, is this atom bearing any charge? So I should say it does not have any charge. Means obviously this become a neutral atom. For this neutral atom, number of electron is equal to what? But it is equal to value of Z. What is the value of Z? 6. But the number of proton is equal to what? That is also equal to value of Z, that is 6. And number of neutron equal to what? A minus Z. A is the mass number, that is 12, minus Z is the atomic number, that one is 6. So it becomes 6. This is for the carbon atom. Let us say I want to go with example here, but it gains 4 electrons. Suppose carbon atom is gaining 4 electrons, means obviously it will get the 4 negative charge over it. That means I should go with electron, and I told you atomic number is 6. Minus of 4 become a plus of 4. That means number of electron in this case is equal to how many beta? 10 electrons are there. Come for the proton present over it. And in this proton obviously equal to Z, and neutron that is equal to A minus Z. And do you know what is A is here? 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. Because this is an atom bearing negative charge, so this is an anion. And let us consider that beta, it is not possible, but I am explaining you. If it loses 4 electron, that means by losing 4 it will get the positive charge, and this atom bearing positive charge are called as a what? Cation. Atom bearing positive charge called as a what? Cation. Now in this cation we will see beta number of electrons how many? That is Z. Plus of 4 become minus of 4, and proton में check it beta, it is equal to value of Z, and neutron obviously A minus Z, that is equal to atomic number 12, mass number is 12 and atomic number Z is 6. 12 minus 6, neutron is 6, right? Take a screenshot.